All right, Jay Woods here, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're at the shop on O-Pee-Chee release day. Let's see if we can get Jerry a hit out of wave packs. Brickley, Turris, Carlson, and Tarasenko. And grab another one for Jerry because I did a box and I didn't open one. So let's see if we can get Jerry a hit. Gallagher, Burns, Hoffman, and Glenn Anderson. We tried, Jerry. We tried. You doing BGS today? Go home and sleep. Go home and sleep. There's nothing you need to do here. I talked to Vern. He might come by later. Alright, it's Chrome Hockey. Chrome Hockey. Womp womp. Did you get that picture I sent you? Okay. The longest address in the history of addresses? The longest address in the history of addresses? I haven't used it, so. Oh, did I leave it on the Star Wars? My bad. Yeah, I'm surprised you're not in a Darth Vader helmet, man. Or wearing a Star Wars shirt. And my glasses just broke again. Awesome. I need to suit. Nah, they've been broken. Flawless Soccer. Did you Google it, Oz? Alright, Jerry, good luck. We got a purple Carey Price. We have not hit a purple. It just says purple on the back. That's one thing I like about Upper Deck. It tells you, it names it on the back. Like, what the parallel is. Purple, 18/25 for apparently the best goalie in hockey who never plays, Carey Price. Nah, everyone says he's the best goalie in hockey. He just never plays because he's injured all the time. Blue, out of 75, blue cubes. $47/75. X-King. Current playoff standout, Martin Jones. Blue cubes. Rookie, Olofsson. Pumpel. Shane Prince. Larkin. Poirier. Bebo, Gauntz, Corey Perry.
Oh damn, what is this?
Hold on. Oh, I hit that out of mine. I just had it to the side. I did a couple more boxes.
Oh, you still ship this shit.
Ship what?
The COA.
Who am I shipping it to?
Not Art Clearly, the other one.
The other one? Patrick?
Yeah. Patrick?
You just put a post-it on it? Yeah. 44/75.
Is this you over here?
Yep. I got bored at lunch.
Yeah, I see.
Just thought, oh. Yeah. And then I jumped in. 45/75, Zach Parise, blue. Autograph. Almost missed the autograph. Rookie auto. Not very bold at all. Henrik Samuelsson, base autograph. Hopefully this is a 2 auto box. Hopefully this is a 2 auto box. We've had 1 2 auto box so far. Like I said, I saw a break of 8 boxes. They got 10 autos. Chandler Stevenson, Aaron Ekblad, Jonas Hill. They have these that are autoed. Tarasenko, Fiala, Taylor Hall, Rainbow, Pumpel, Stevenson, Rainbow, Corey Perry, insert, Rainbow, Trax, Pavel Datsuk, Jack Eichel, Trax, Connor McDavid. Henry, that's the best McDavid we've hit so far. This is the first box we've done since I got back, Henry. Connor McDavid, Trax. Shinkaruk, Voracek, Richie, Taves, Green, Kuznetsov, McCann, Bishop, and Sprawl. All right, Jerry, very nice. Connor McDavid, Henrik Samuelsson auto, Parise out of 75, Jones out of 75, and Carey Price out of 25. Let me know if you want to do any more boxes, Jerry. Hey, Henry.